work of talented developers, creators, and thinkers who have poured their time and energy into building something truly special. Innovation is the fuel that drives progress, and creativity is the spark that ignites change. As Thomas Edison once said, there's a way to do it better, find it. Today, we are here to celebrate that spirit of ingenuity, problem solving, and technological advancements. With immense pleasure and pride and enthusiasm, I invite you all to the Project Expo of Avishkar 2025, where ideas transform into reality and innovation takes
center stage. Avishkar, the name itself signifies innovation, discovery and creativity. It is not just an event, it's a grand celebration of talent,
intellect and artistry.
Bring together the brightest minds and most passionate performers. From technical brilliance to artistic mastery, this fest is the
to the power of ideas and expression. With an exciting lineup of technical and non-technical events, a spectacular project expo, and a mesmerizing cultural night, Avishkar is where knowledge meets entertainment and students can create memories for a lifetime.
Today, we witness one of the most dynamic and futuristic event of this fest, the Project Expo. This expo serves as a platform for budding innovators, young researchers, and brilliant minds to showcase their technological proofs, creativity, and problem-solving skill. It is a space where idea turns into prototype, where innovation meets execution, and where the future is shaped by today's visionaries. With groundbreaking projects across various domains and the spirit of competition driving excellence, today is all about transforming knowledge into impactful solutions. Project Expo is a platform and event that provides developers and creators an opportunity to showcase their projects. It serves as a way for individual and the team to demonstrate their work, get feedback, network, even collaborate with others in tech community. We are proud consecutive years, and this fifth year is no exception. Day one was the national conference with 566 papers. Project Expo with 320 demonstrations in 5 different teams. We are adding feather to our crown. Before we get started, we seek the blessing of our eminent patrons, Colonel Professor Velshri Dr. R. Rangarajan, Founder, President and Chairman, Dr. Shakuntala Rangarajan, Founder, President and Vice Chairman, Mrs. Rangarajan Mahalakshmi Kishu, Chairperson and Managing Trustee.
A leader's true strength lies not in the authority but in the ability to empower others. Today, we have our leader who believes that the true education is not just about learning but about empowering students to dream, achieve and lead. A visionary man who constantly strives to unlock the potential of every student, guiding us toward excellence and innovation. With immense pride and gratitude, let's give a resounding round of applause to the presence of our esteemed principal, Professor Dr. E. Kamalanaban sir, a true champion of student empowerment.
No event of this magnitude is complete without the presence of esteemed personality who will inspire and elevate the occasion. It's with an immense honor and great privilege I extend a heartfelt invite to our distinguished chief guests from various diverse fields of engineering, technology and management. Mr. S. Anil Babu, MD, KFB Acoustics India and Vice President, Centurex Service Private Limited, Hyderabad. Mr. Krishna Kumar Kesavan, Manager Projector, Vinyo Technologies, Chennai. Mr. Sridhar Krishnamurthy, President, IAHRSI, YPN, IIT Madras, Chennai. Engineer C. Nagarajan, Senior Manager, Calibration, Mahindra Research Valley, Kanjipuram. Mr. N. Sandhananaguru, Manager, IT Strategic Sourcing, Genopact Limited, Chennai. Mr. Kausik Raj, Program Manager, Colmocast, Chennai. Mr. B. Saran Kumar, Senior Engineer, MDS Automotive, SABCI, Chennai. Mr. Tamilarasan K, MTSG, Software Consultant, Edison, India Private Limited, Chennai. Sir, your presence today an immense value to our project, and we are very grateful to have you with us today. It's an absolute honor to have you as with all today distinguished dignitaries, dean of various schools, head of various departments, esteemed faculty, my dear friends and our beloved participants.
In every step we take, may we be guided by wisdom, grace, and the strength to make a difference in the world. Let us unite our hearts in a prayer seeking divine guidance and peace for all. As we seek strength and inspiration, let us embrace the power of faith, learning, and unity. In the spirit of reverence and unity, I kindly invite everyone to rise as we come together for a prayer. Please everyone stand up. the soul, a divine expression that transcends words and touches hearts. invoke positivity, and set the stage for a vibrant day ahead. We now present a mesmerizing classical dance. Rooted in tradition and elegance, this performance symbolizes grace, devotion, and the celebration of new beginnings. Let's immerse ourselves in this soulful art form as our talented performers takes the stage. I would like to call Ms. M. Megavashini from AIDS third year, Ms. Vedasamhita P. from AIDS third year, Ms. Ashwati B. from Chemical third year, and Ms. T. Nikita from CSE second year.
someone who can truly set the stage with energy and warmth, it's my absolute pleasure to invite Dr. V.R. Ravi Sir, Dean Academics, to deliver the welcome address.
If someone feels that they have never made a mistake in their life, then it means that they had never tried a new thing in their life. On behalf of Welltech iTech and the respected principal, we deem it an utmost pride in welcoming our visionary, Honorable Colin Professor Dr. Velshri R. Rangarajan, Founder President and Chairman, Srimati Dr. Sakuntala Rangarajan, Founders President and Vice Chairman, and Chairperson and Managing Trustee, Srimati Rangarajan Mahalakshmi Kishore. I deem it a pleasure to welcome our Honorable Principal, Professor Dr. E. Kamalanathan, who has been a constant source of driving force and motivation at all times. Under his impeccable guidance and direction, we are proud to organize this flagship event, Aviskar 2025. Heartily welcome you, sir. I am delighted to welcome our COE, Professor Dr. Govinda Swami, Dean R&D, Professor Dr. B. Bharadiraja, Dean Training and Placement, Professor Dr. R. Suresh, Dean Industry Relations, Professor Dr. A. Suresh Kumar, Dean IQAC, Dr. Vijay Sarathi, Dean Mentoring, Dr. Veeramalani Madam, Dean Culture and Club Activities, Professor Dr. Gopinath, Associate Dean Paper, Publication and Patent, Dr. Sarvanaraj, and Associate Dean Startup, Dr. Suresh Chinnathambi. Heartily welcome you all. I am truly honored to welcome the distinguished group of intellectuals on the jury and feel both glad and proud to have such an eminent industry person amidst us. Mr. S. Anil Kumar, MD, KFD Acoustics India and Vice President, Centotech Services Private Limited, Hyderabad. Welcome you, sir. Mr. Krishna Kumar Kesavan, Manager Projects, Brilliant Technologies, Chennai. Welcome you, sir. Mr. Sridhar Krishnamurthy, IIT Madras, Chennai. Welcome you, sir. Engineer C. Nagarajan, Senior Manager Calibration, Magendra Research Valley, Kandipuram. Welcome you, sir. Mr. N. Sanant Guru, Manager IT Strategic Sourcing, Genpact Limited, Chennai. Welcome you, sir. Mr. Kaushik Raj, Program Manager, Camcast, Chennai. Welcome you, sir. Mr. B. Sarvana Kumar, Senior Engineer, NDTS Automotive, Chennai. Welcome you, sir. Mr. Tamilarasan K, Software Consultant, Viruvan India Private Limited, Chennai. Welcome you, sir. Heartily welcome to you all for this wonderful day to Aviskar 2025. I extend my warm welcome to heads of various departments, professors, faculty members, office staff, technical staff, comparing team, housekeeping team, electrician, photographer and others. I am delighted to welcome Mr. Puneet Katta, Head Science and Humanities and Coordinator for the today's Project Expo. I extend my sincere appreciation to him and his diligent team members for showing their enthusiasm, great effort and and wonderful arrangements being made. On behalf of management, principal, deans, heads and faculty members, I wholeheartedly welcome our most energetic, enthusiastic participants and students to this grand mega event Aavishkaar 2025. Without whose support, this would not have been a reality. To present three distinct yet interconnected events that promise to inspire, challenge and entertain. The National Conference on Advancements in Sustainable Smart Engineering and Technology ASET 2025, the Project Expo and the Cultural Fest. The first day conference is focused to present papers in disciplines of biotechnology, chemical engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, computer science engineering, artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, IoT, etc., which enriches them with the abundance of fresh thoughts and ideas to bring best solution to the smart engineering and technology. Yesterday, 518 papers were presented by students from various engineering colleges in ASET 2025 and was evaluated by 9 jury members from renowned industries. Today, we are organizing Project Expo, which serves as a stage for showcasing the creativity, hard work and ingenuity of students. Here, the latest projects in the realms of engineering, technology and sustainability will be on display, offering a glimpse into the next generation of innovative solutions. This expo is not just an exhibition, it is an opportunity for ideas to come alive, for aspiring engineers and creators to gain visibility, and for industry leaders to discover cutting-edge innovations that can drive the future. Today, 189 projects are on display. Tomorrow, the much-awaited Cultural Fest adds the much-needed joy, vibrancy and energy to Aavishkaar 2025. Amid the tech talks and project displays, we invite you to immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of art, music, dance and performances that showcase diversity and creativity of our community. This fest is a celebration of culture, talent and unity, offering a refreshing break from the rigorous academic and technological sessions. Of course, preparing for this big day requires a lot of time and effort, as it cannot be achieved overnight. It involves meticulous attention to every detail, as even the smallest oversight could derail the entire endeavor. So please join me in giving a huge round of applause to all the organizers. Each one of the participants who are assembled here should accomplish greater deeds in your life. I once again extend a hearty and cordial welcome to all of you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Well, now it's felicitation time. I request Abdullah Principal, sir, to felicitate our chief guest with the Private Limited, Hyderabad. Mr. Krishna Kumar Kesavan, Manager, Projects Brio Technologies, Chennai. Mr. Sridhar Krishnamurthy, President, IIT Madras, Chennai. Engineer C. Nagarajan, Senior Manager, Calibration, Mahindra Research Valley, Kanjipuram. Mr. Mr. N. Sandaguru, Manager, IT Strategic Sourcing, General Pack Limited, Chennai. Mr. Kaushik Raj, Program Manager, Comcast, Chennai. Mr. B. Saran Kumar, Senior Engineer, MDS Automotive, SABIC, Chennai. Mr. Kamalan K, MTS 3 Software Consulting, Verizon India, Private Limited, Chennai.
lies in transforming vision into action through strategic foresight, collaboration and unwavering determination. Their guidance has been a beacon for us and we eagerly anticipate for the wisdom that they will share. To set the perfect tone for this grand project expo, it is now time to hear from the pillar of our institution, the driving force behind our academic excellence and innovation. With immense pride and enthusiasm, I invite our esteemed principal, Professor Dr. E. Kamalanavan sir, to deliver the inaugural address and
Honorable Founder, President and Chairman, Colonel Professor Velshri Dr. R. Rangarajan, Honorable Founders, President and Vice Chairman, Dr. Shakuntala Rangarajan, our respected Chairperson and Managing Trustee, Mrs. Rangarajan Mahalakshmi Kishore, our beloved Controller of Examinations, Professor Dr. Govindaswamy, our beloved Dean Academics, Professor Dr. V.R. Ravi, our Dean Training and Placement, Dr. Suresh, our Dean R&D, Dr. Bharat Raja, our Dean Industry Relations, Professor Dr. Suresh Kumar, our distinguished industry experts, Mr. S. Anil Babu, Managing Director, KFB Acoustics India and Vice President, Cinto Tech Services Private Limited, Hyderabad. Another industry expert, Mr. Krishna Kumar Kesavan, Manager Projects, Brilliant Technologies, Chennai. அந்த சைடு சத்தம் வராம இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அந்த சைடு கொஞ்சம் அந்த சைடு. Another industry expert, Mr. Sridhar Krishnamurthy, President IAHRSI, YPM IIT Madras, Chennai. Industry expert, Engineer C. Nagarajan, Senior Manager, Calibration, Mahindra Research Valley, Kanchipuram. Industry expert, Mr. N. Shantaguru, Manager, IT Strategic Sourcing, Genpact Limited, Chennai. Industry expert, Mr. Kaushik Raj, Program Manager, Comcast, Chennai. Mr. B. Saran Kumar, Senior Engineer, MBTS Automotive, SAVIC SABIC, Chennai. Mr. Kamilarasan K. MTS 3 Software Consultant, Verizon India Private Limited, Chennai. Heads of the departments, professors, faculty members, the hero of this second day, who exhibited, displayed, nearing about 200 projects in this auditorium, Mr. Pradeep Katta. All 3 days, Avishka 2025, our Dean, Cultural Clubs and Activities, Dr. Gopinath, compiling team, student coordinators who are working day and night for the last 1 month, even faculty coordinators along with students day and night. And having shown a lot of interest to exhibit these projects in our institute by external participants outside colleges, really great. And our own students who have exhibited today the projects here in this auditorium. For all of you, very good afternoon. Is it 12 crust? 12 crust? Yeah, good afternoon. I am right. Good afternoon all of you. சத்தமே கிடையாது, அதனால தான் ஆடியோ வந்து போட்டுறாரு. இப்ப கை தட்டுறது வந்து நீங்கெல்லாம் கை தட்ட மாட்டேன்றீங்க, அதனால ஆடியோ போட்டுறாங்க. பாத்தீங்களா? நல்லா கை தட்டுங்க பார்க்கலாம், சத்தமா கை தட்டுங்க. Really good friends who are sitting here from other colleges, even our own institute, college students, young minds, dynamic minds, with a lot of ideas, a lot of innovation. You are now exhibiting your models, prototypes. Hands up to the participants. Hands up to participants. Today, we have invited 9 industry experts. Yesterday we have invited 10 industry experts. Why? What is the reason? We concentrate and we want to invite industry experts to technical, the paper presentations as well, do project expo. Why we invite and we give priority for industry experts? Because they are in industry. And after some time, you are going for an industry. You are going for an industry. They know the pulse. They know the pulse. What you are doing here in the institute. What is the paper presentation? What's your idea? Yes, they come to know. Because they are working on projects. They are working with the different softwares, technologies, platforms. Right. They know well. And how this institute is aiming towards industry skills, the importance of industry skills, the importance of employability skills, the importance of employability skills. So that is why yesterday 10 industry experts evaluated the technical paper presentations, nearing about 500 papers, They evaluated, scrutinized in such a way. Many colleges, outside colleges, they bagged very good prizes. 5,000 first prize, 3,000 second prize, 2,000 third prize, 2,000 third prize. Similarly, today, all these industry experts in this auditorium, they are going to see the projects one by one with respect to the stream of engineering, discipline, domain, with respect to domain. They are going to visit very carefully the ideas, the presentation from you and the technical, ideas and your innovation, new knowledge, novelty. They are going to see, and accordingly, today also in valedictory function, the lucky stars of this exhibition today, the project, participants are going to bag the cash awards. Similar way, yesterday, what we gave, similar to that today, 5,000, 3,000, 2,000, first, second, third prizes. My God, 7,500 for the first prize. 7,500. ಕೈ ತಟ್ಟದೆಲ್ಲ ಪತ್ತದೆ. Second prize 5,000. Third prize 2,500. நான் நினைக்கிறேன் இந்த பிரைசஸ் உங்க வாழ்நாள்ல மறக்கவே முடியாத பிரைசஸ் வேல்டெக் கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன். வேல்டெக் இஸ் கிவிங் such a prize of prize money 7,500, 5,000. Even I never heard of these prizes with heavy amount elsewhere. Nowhere. I don't think. If it is so good, I appreciate those colleges. Because you are all working with your ideas. You are buying some components. Developing, a prototyping model with a lot of, money you spend and with a lot of energy, day and night, months together. You are working with those projects and you are coming here and exhibiting it. So therefore, we thought that we have to value, those projects and the participants. So that is why we fixed this amount, 7,500, 5,000 and 2,500. Really that helps you to enhance further your project with different, features. So that will help you. Again, someday in some other colleges, you can exhibit with some enhancement of your project elsewhere. So that helps you stage by stage where you come with, a lot of ideas. And ultimately, even that leads to filing a grant, filing a patent. I think that is possible. So really great. And yesterday went on well, day one. And yesterday how it was, the event went on well. The same way we are expecting today also, day two. And tomorrow, day three, is a very big expectation by the students. Culturals. Day three, culturals. I think today evening there will be a DJ for the students. A very big DJ in the evening after Royal Decree. To showcase, that may be, I think, an extension of tomorrow's, DJ will be there in the evening. I think even other students also can join. Other college students also can join today evening with the DJ, okay? So therefore, do it well, present well, back the awards. Vailtech High-Tech is for skills. Vailtech High-Tech is for industrial skills. We promote our students with industrial skills. So we want to empower students with industry skills. We conduct training, 800 hours for 4 years. We give employability skills, 800 hours. We made it mandatory, second year, third year, mini projects. So that is why our students, they are able to exhibit many projects. And even with yesterday's presentations, many papers. Almost 500 papers, articles we publish in a year. Students they publish along with faculty. Majority of the work goes to students. Third year, mini projects mandatory. Final year, phase 1 and phase 2, the project which is mandatory. When a student goes out as a graduate, he is capable of getting a job in the market. So that is how we want to make it our student to become employable in the market. So today we have crossed nearing 300 placements. This 2025 batch who is going to pass out. With high packages, 10 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 6 lakhs. Now we are aiming with 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs package. That is why we formed batches like Super 76, special training we are giving for them. We want to place them in product-based companies. The second batch we formed, Strivers 90, the second level batch. The third batch we are forming now, Aspirants 100. These students are trained throughout the semester. These students are trained throughout the semester from morning to evening. From morning to evening, 8 hours in a day, throughout semester. So they know that they know how to study all these courses subjects to get marks. So they want industry skills. So for which we are conducting from morning to evening throughout semester industry skills. Definitely 2026 batch we are aiming to place with 15 to 25 lakhs package. With the 15 to 25 lakhs package with the product-based companies. That is what we are aiming. Definitely that will happen. There is no doubt in that. Thank you all. Thanks for the opportunity. Enjoy the day. Thank you.
For your inspiring and insightful words. Well, now it's felicitation time. I request our respected principal sir and our guest to release the souvenir of Anushka 2025.
Please, students and audience, please be seated.
Idea was a very good idea, but the idea of the whole year making as a business. Idea cannot as a business. End of the day, we are all saying what we are doing. One is we are giving to the society. Secondly, we can come legal area.
Immediately, there is a SMS module. So if you send the SMS flat alert, be safe. Surroundings of the people. So they will be alert. So they will be more alert and they will be
டிரைவர் உள்ள இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் டிரைவர் வெளியில இருந்தும் கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
படம் சார் எங்கள் ஹெச்ஓடி எடுங்க ரெடி இருக்கா இல்லை அப்போ எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணாமல் வேறு
Really, it was very nice experience for us actually to see the young talents' minds and thought process actually. One thing what I want to convey is I request everyone to take this as a main platform to pave the experience to showcase your talent actually. See, the participants, I want to say, to get more registration actually, but I feel it is, what to say, very big institution, but the number of participants seems to be very low, and for the students, no. So the main intention of this is to showcase the talents, but what I mean to say, everybody, they have fear to experience or showcase their talent actually. That is main thing what I want to eradicate from the students' mind. Apart from this, everything seems to be very nice for me. I really am taking very privilege to be participate in this event. Thank you all for this wonderful opportunity.
Good evening everyone. Yeah, this was a very good, nice experience for us, and each and every ideas are very unique. Unique way, and so very well they have presented to us, and it's a valid idea. So don't stop this initiative. Explore more and do many projects and win many. I wish you all to win many prizes and awards. So, and I would like to thank you for your management and principal sir for this great initiative, and good luck for all. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So I'm really happy to see so many entrepreneurs. Basically, our principal sir said next year we are going to get 20 lakhs ETC. But what I see here is I can see business owners. Each and every project we can convert as a business model, and we can sell that to the people, and we can make one more Ather, one more, you can say, Tesla from Welltech. All the best, guys.
Hey, good afternoon all. No, further. End. I'm not able to hear you guys. Good afternoon all. Okay, fine. Hey, this is Krishna Kumar Kesavan. My full name is Krishna Kumar Kesavan. My mobile number is 9791044681. I'll tell you why I am telling my number and my full name. First of all, I like to thank Mr. Kamalnathan sir for inviting us for this great event. I'm also got an opportunity to interact with staffs, HODs, deans, everybody. Thanks for all your hospitality. The kind of effort you put for this 1 month, really awesome. So this is something which I am carrying forward with a lot of motivation which I am carrying. Okay, college as well as dean, everybody, founders, they have given a great opportunity for you people, given a great infrastructure to support. So my suggestion and as well as a request you start using this infrastructure, get a lot of motivators, a lot of mentors are here. How you use them in this 3 years, 4 years time, that is what your career, that is what your future. So first 1 or 2 years, it may be, you can enjoy your days in college, but end of second year onwards, start thinking about your future, what you want to become, whether you want to be an entrepreneur, whether you want to do some settle in some university, some PhD, or whatever you want to do. Think about it in the end of second year. Start using your staffs, HODs, principals, everybody's advice, suggestions. Make use of that. Today's all the participation, like really, including from the first year, I'm seeing a lot of people put a lot of effort, very nicely explained things. So thank you for all your effort. First of all, each one of your effort really makes a great difference. Thank you for all your effort. This prize or whatever it is, that is something like, on the spot we have decided. Okay, that is not going to decide your future. Okay, so put your effort, continue that, whatever the model, whatever the prototype which you have created, don't stop here, continue it for next, if here we have first year, second year, third year, continue that. Think about how
in society, how in the outside, how I am going to sell this, how I am going to showcase this. Think all that front so that your effort will be, you yourself become more confident on what you are talking and go to the market. Okay, so as I mentioned, my Krishna Kumar Kesavan is my name. I already given my number. Anything, feel free to reach me. Okay, I also committed to sir. I will be regularly coming to support you all. Okay, thank you very much for all your efforts. Thank you all.
Okay, எல்லாருமே இங்கிலீஷில் பேசிட்டாங்க, நான் கொஞ்சம் தமிழில் பேசிக்கிறேன் சார். ஓகே, வணக்கம் எல்லாத்துக்கும். எனக்கு இந்த வாய்ப்பை கொடுத்த கல்லூரி முதல்வருக்கு நான் நன்றியை தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன். இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இங்கே நிறையா பேர் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸை வந்துட்டு பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க, சில பேர் வந்துட்டு பண்ணாமல் இருந்தாங்க. ஓகேங்களா, அவங்களும் இன்னும் பண்ணணுங்கிறது தான் என்னோட ஆசை. ஏன்னா நானும் உங்களை மாதிரி ஒரு குரூப் ஆஃப் இதில் வந்துட்டு பண்ணுறவங்களை வேடிக்கை பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன் சார். தேர்ட் இயர் வரைக்குமே ஆக்சுவலாக தேர்ட் இயரில் ஒரு ஸ்பார்க்கு, ஒரு ஜஸ்ட் என்ன சொல்கிறது, உங்களுக்குலாம் எதுவுமே வராது, உங்களால் எதுவும் பண்ண முடியாது அப்படின்னு ஒரு ஸ்டாஃப் வந்துட்டு திட்டினதோட விளைவு தான் வந்துட்டு ஒரு 3 ப்ராஜெக்டை கண்டினியூஸாக பண்ணி தமிழ்நாடு ப்ராஜெக்ட் கவுன்சிலாக சப்மிட் பண்ணோம் நாங்கள் ஆக்சுவலாக பசங்களாக சேர்ந்து. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இன்னும் நிறைய பேர் பண்ணணும். நீங்கள் நிறைய ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்க, அதெல்லாமே நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணி இன்னும் நிறைய பேர் இதை பண்ணணுங்கிறத என்னோட விருப்பமாக நான் தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன். நன்றி.
Hello guys, how are you? It must be a very hectic day for you, right? From the morning. It's almost evening right now. I'm Kaushik. I'm coming from Compass. I'm working as a program manager. Today I went through the series of projects conducted for artificial intelligence and machine learning. I have asked many questions for you. I also given a feedback on which you have to work on. The most common feedback I would like to give for the entire students is whenever you are presenting something, give it a good clarity to the other person, whether it is going to be a project or if you are going to attend for any interview, because you might possess some knowledge, but the other person doesn't know if you do not express it in a right way. And second thing, as Krishna said, Realtek is giving a lot of opportunity for your enhancement of skills, both technical as well as soft skills. Not many colleges currently is not providing that opportunity. Please utilize those opportunities. Especially I have graduated during 2012, passed out. I did not have this much of luxury of placements, trainings, all those kind of stuff. So I had to struggle myself to come to this level, but you people don't have to struggle that much. The college is providing this much of facility like technical training, soft skill training. Just utilize that training, put your efforts, definitely you will go through. And thanks for the management giving this opportunity for me as well.
Let me introduce myself Sharan. I am a chemical and a polymer background person. Currently I am working with automotives. So just I would like to specifically mention about chemicals since I am from the same stream. This is a field where the industry is growing in an enlargement. You have enormous opportunity outside. From my education time and still I am seeing that chemical has always been short of persons when you come as an industry. And when I come over the projects today, I have seen lot of people are still discussing on biofuels as of now, bioplastics, so that I can see that you understand the market needs and you are also gearing yourself for the market needs from your side. Good to know that. I always just say this one thing to many people where I see since my juniors or seniors. We have a lot of opportunities from chemical, biochemical and polymer background. We are always short of people, so try to be the best in your stream and definitely you have a wonderful career ahead. So thanks.
Dedication, hard work and the passion to lead the achievement. Now comes the most awaited moment, the prize distribution ceremony. Today, we honor the brilliance, perseverance and innovative spirit of our participants. To honor the rewarded excellence, now I invite our esteemed principal, Professor Dr. E. Kamlanabhan sir, along with today's chief guests, onto the dais.
காசு பணம் கொட்டு மணி மணி காசு பணம் கொட்டு மணி மணி
The second
பணம் கொட்டு மணி மணி காசு பணம் கொட்டு மணி மணி
of rupees. Now, stream 2. The third place goes to Pemasani Hemant Kumar Harish. The second place goes to Kishore Kumar. I love. Now, the first prize goes to in stream 2, where AIDS and AAML belongs together. Now, stream 3, where ECE and the second place goes to Harini Yuvashri Akshaya from Velamal Engineering College.
To announce the prize winners of Stream 4, which is nothing but here. Leading up, I'm sipping on beer. Yeah, clap for me, man, right here. Got the man with the black right here. Is going to be Joe Ranjit, Kuppan and Lokesh Kumar from SA Engineering. The first prize of Stream 4, that is Biotech and Chemical, is going to be Kavya, Manigandan and Preeti from Vailtech High Tech. Civil engineering and mechanical engineering. The third place is going to be Abhimanyu, Vijay, Deepak and Naveen. Kamleshwar, Kadam Ashad Santosh from Vailtech High Tech. participation certificates உங்க லிஸ்ட் போய் கலெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம் சரியா